Hi, it's Jay here. I just wanted to show this elongated head crystal I found the other day at the beach. I found two pieces. I found this piece as well. I did a video on that yesterday, and today I'm going to do a video on this piece here. This is the eye socket. This is the nose. This is an open mouth with teeth. And this is the headdress coming down, or hair coming down the cheek. Notice how long the headdress is. The shape of it follows the cranium. It still has a lot of the algae and bacteria from the ocean. I haven't fully cleaned off this piece yet. I just scraped off all the barnacles. All the barnacles were covered in all the nooks and crannies and crevices on this piece. And it took me a while to knock them all off with another rock. And then use my hands to, almost like sandpaper, to just rub it all out. It's kind of how I do that. And then sometimes I'll put these outside and they'll just naturally go away. Some of this green will just naturally go away over time. When I flip it around, you see the side very flat, almost foot-like in a way. And it does remind me of kind of like a camel's face, the front camel's face right there. But then I also kind of see almost an ear shape in here. Right in here. The eye being here, and the mouth being here. I see it being in the neck, or the beard, or the hair. Sometimes the faces are stacked. There might be more down here. I think there's another one up here. There's usually one in the headdress, if not multiple images in the headdress alone. And there does seem to be some in this piece as well. Looks like a bear right here. The eye, the mouth. This is the chin, this is the nose, this is the inside of the mouth, this V. Ground sloths look similar. There are many images in the stone. There's small ones, there's large ones. Picture where there would be a nose and an eye, and then look for the mouth, and then look for other pieces like ears, hair, horns, beards, stuff like that. You'll start to notice that they align perfectly. The shape of this stone really reminds me of some sort of hand tool, and this is the kind of business end there. Whatever they were whacking with this may be held in this hand. There's some finger grooves on the back. Maybe it was held like this. You can see the points right there. And you can see the different angles that they made the cuts to get that point. It also fits well in the other hand, and it's like the fingers line up in the grooves of the imagery of the face and behind the head, and look at that point. I mean, it's not real sharp or nothing, but if you hit something with this, it's going to put a hole in it. So I don't think it was on a stick necessarily. I think it was held in the hand. You're going to see some other images. I like this particular one. This is a repeating one for me with these pointed ears. Can you see that? The pointed ear here. Sometimes I even see horns, but in this one, the pointed ear. And this would be the back of the cranium, the eye, very defined on this side. The mouth seems like it is, once was, but still is. Not much of a nose on this piece, unless maybe I turn it a little bit. Oh, I can see a cheek line, and the eye really starts to give some definition when I move it like this. Kind of just get a better picture of what the person or creature looked like. Because it's three-dimensional art. This isn't in 2 dimensions when I move it like this. This may also be an animal. This may be the mouth, the nose, the eye. Almost like a badger or like a fisher cat or something. Possibly something over here with this being a big eye. Maybe the mouth up here, maybe the mouth down here. I don't know, but it seems like it's got a long pointed ear going back from that direction. And then this bottom column, the pointed ear, this is a raised section, and they too also sometimes make an image just themselves. Like this one looks like a bird. See the beak, the eyes, and the wings would come down here. And you see the bottom of it, how it looks like the bottom of the bird wings. If a bird was like sitting on your finger or a branch, like picture a parakeet. It almost looks like a parakeet. There's another left side image there. You can see the profile, and then you can see the image coming into the piece, and well-defined eye. And a mouth seems to be going down unless it's coming in like this. And then this is the inside of the mouth. Maybe a beak, or it may not be. Maybe a mammal, maybe a reptile, maybe a bird. It looks like a bird to me from this position. And that's about all the time I got for this video. So thank you guys for making it this far. If you did, there's another image there. Looks like a bear. So yeah, these things, people that are into this, they know how cool it is to be finding these things and being the first people to see them or recognize what they are, and who knows how long. Thank you very much.